Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the best Kodi build. This build is one of the most popular Kodi builds available, as it's full of content, categories, and has a user-friendly interface. For these reasons and more, it's considered one of the best Kodi builds. Before we get to that, you might want to use a VPN if you're worried about your ISP tracking your online activity. If you connect to the internet through a VPN, the provider of your internet services won't be able to see what you're doing online. I use IPVanish VPN, which is the fastest and most secure VPN. It is very easy to install on any device including Amazon Fire Stick. You save up to 70% off on its annual plans. Also, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied, you can always ask for a refund. You will find discount with exclusive link in the description below this video.